Sometimes pinagmumukha akong tanga yung sarili ko, but I am eating right now. So yeah, this will be something. I am eating while I'm also making some video that I honestly don't know. So here's what I'm thinking. Pumasok ako sa chat ni Christopher Dantes alias Sly Kane, and I asked some lawyer-like person, pero I don't believe he's a lawyer. He told me na if ever na nag-run out ang 14-day visa-less allowance ni Mr. Dantes sa Taiwan, he may attempt to skip to another country other than the Philippines. You see, if Sly Kane is charged already, he should return to the Philippines. But being the CX piece of shit influencer he is, hindi ako masosorpresa kung hindi siya uuwi. And that he ducks out authorities. And if he starts ducking out authorities, lagot siya. Sinasabi na hindi na siya person of interest. He should not give any excuses either. Kaya kung hinanting siya, sorry siya. Akala ba niya hindi natatawagan ng Taiwan at saka kung anumang neighboring country ng Pilipinas dyan? Akala ba niya hindi tatawagan ng Pilipinas kung sino mang neighbors natin? You think hindi nila gagawin yan? Extradition ang makukuha niya kung hindi pa siya sumuko. Extradition, it's already bad enough that you avoid authorities. It's also worse, you are forced to go home by their intervention while restrained, while detained. It's even so much worse for you. So you may as well save the resources and make sure you comply to what they need from you so that you can clear your own case and hope to yourself that you get a lighter sentence, because at this point, you're at bad odds with the Philippine government for being somewhere else. You will not be able to be reached easily if there is a summons. So you are going to wish na nasa Pilipinas ka, and you should be back in the Philippines when they make a summons, because once they have that warrant out, since you're not around yet, I promise you, you will suffer during the extradition. Kaya sinasabi ko na sa'yo, Dantes, sumuko ka na. Nagmamakaawa ako sa'yo.